considering that usually we do so well to get to a particular stage, and then when we're supposed to, take it to the max, we sort of fall short. But I don't think we're discouraged. I think it's just building even more character within the group, knowing that we are capable of reaching that stage. Now it's just about us going the whole way, So I think the desire is still there, the hunger is still there. As a team, I think it's the one trophy that we so much want, especially this group, considering, how well we've done in the league. And I think the Champions League is what's short in this group, So I think going into this season, we'll obviously analyze the mistakes and how we fell short, so that if we do reach that stage, we're able to do better than we did in the previous seasons.